How do I allow Snapchat to access my camera? So all you have to do is go to Settings, scroll down until you find Apps. Now use the search icon found on the top right corner to search for Snapchat. And then go to Permissions and ensure that the camera permission is enabled. So to make sure that the camera permission is enabled, just tap Camera and you will be provided with these options: Allow only while using the app, Ask every time, and Don't allow. So you can either select Allow only while using the app or Ask every time. But I recommend choosing Allow only while using the app. Another thing is to ensure that the photos and videos permission is enabled. So same thing, just tap on Photos and Videos and then select Allow. So by doing this, you are allowing Snapchat to access your camera as well as your photos and videos. And so that is how you allow Snapchat to access your camera. Thank you and have a great day.